Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus 12, and today I will show you how you can record screen on this phone. So to get started, you want to pull down your notifications. Now I will plug my device in as it's at 3% battery. There we go. Try to get it. There we go. Okay, so let's pull down the notifications and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. From here, you are looking for screen recording, which might not be visible on the first page, so you might need to swipe left to the second page, and you can see that that's where my toggle is located. From here, simply tap on it. If you're doing this the first time around, it will ask you for permission to record audio, and then gives us some pop-up, a recording system sound. And you can see it starts countdown. Once you select on done, as you can see, it gets automatically saved to your Photos application. So let me just find that. There we go. Now I did record on here Netflix because it's a very good thing to showcase. So if we go into library, you'll find a screenshots album, and in here you have your screen recordings. And you will see in a second, once I was recording, that when I opened up Netflix, all we got is absolutely nothing, because Netflix is one of those applications that uses a security feature as their basically way of anti-piracy measures, because Netflix has this idiotic idea that people would be wasting half an hour to record screen recordings of shows, so they want to block that. Netflix is so far up their ass that they think that people would want to record shows with a screen recorder instead of just watching them online for free or downloading them without needing to watch. So what you get is this kind of effect right here, which is a fully black screen because of the security feature that is in Android, which you have zero control over. So whenever you encounter such a thing where you have just straight up black screen, just know that this is a application that decided that you're not going to be allowed to capture screenshots or record screen recordings in it, and that's basically what you get. In certain cases, if you try to capture a screenshot in such an application, you just get a little pop-up message that you can't. When it comes down to screen recordings, you just get a black screen, and that's it. But there is just few in between apps like that will do this. Primarily, this feature will be used by bank applications and apps that actually have sensitive content, unlike Netflix, which has absolutely effing nothing in terms of sensitive content. And there are some other applications which have even less business doing that than Netflix, but here we are with this kind of problem anyway. So just want to point that out. There's no way around this as far as I know. So if you encounter such a thing, you basically have to deal with it. But in any case, anything else should be easy to record without much of a problem for the most part. So, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.